What's up, guys? This is Khalil Ibrahim with you. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to speed up our website and make it faster in performance. For the most effective, we have two plugins, one for images and the other for the website caching and settings. The EWW image optimizer is great one for image optimizing, and we're gonna install that one. And the most important plugin is the W3 Total Cache, is the second one. This will cache your website and make it faster in loading. And then we have basic stuff to do for our website. If you're coding your website using HTML or CSS, you have to make fast coding, simple coding, don't make it complicated. And for the WordPress, try to pick simple themes for the best performance, as the more the theme gets complicated, the slower it becomes. Also, you should deactivate the plugins that you're not using, or don't delete them, just deactivate them, because deleting them might cause you some problems in your website. Limit your plugins to 15 or 17 maximum plugins. The more you're using plugins, they might make your website slower. Also, delete trash, posts, products, pages, everything that is extra. Make your website clean. And for the blog setting, if you're blogging too much, make the option in reading show at most 10 posts. So let's go to our plugins and start with the EWW plugin. We're gonna type that and we'll find it in the search result. Here we go, over 400 active installs. Installing and activate that one. Then we're gonna go to settings. Everything is on lossless compression, the others for premium plugin, so we're gonna keep it that way. And we will go to this one, bulk optimize. This option, if you used the plugin before, to force re-optimize images, and then we're gonna scan for unoptimized images. And keep in mind to upload the images in first place in a small size, and try to keep them as saved for web when you're saving them in Photoshop or using website to do that for us. Now the images are optimized, as you can see. It's very important for images, especially don't rely on plugins for that one. Try to upload them in first place optimized as much as you can. Now we have two websites for measuring our website speed. Bingdom website. Now we can see this before any kind of optimization. We have load time 6 seconds almost, and performance grade in C, and it's faster than 26% of the tested websites. You type your website name in here, and here it's giving you the performance insight. As you can see, we have some F grades and C grades in some stuff. We're gonna fix that now. And also we have GT Matrix, another website to do that for us, measuring our website speed. There are so many other websites for doing that, but those are famous ones. gtmetrics.com, and it's testing from Vancouver, Canada. Okay, now it's giving us the same, almost the same result, 6 seconds, and the total page size is 3.3 megabyte, and request is 103 requests. And you can see that the score is D, 67%, and page speed score is C. It is low, quite low, you know. And we have the problems optimize image. This was done before we use EWW, and we have leverage browser cache. Now we want to fix this stuff. We're going to fix that in this lesson, and we're going to see the results after we do the optimization for our website and increasing its performance. Now we're going to go to plugins again, and we're going to start with the second plugin, W3 Total Cache. I'm gonna type that in here. Over 1 million active installs, very famous one. It's also improving your SEO ranking and user experience for the website. Let's install it and activate it. You can find it on the left side of your dashboard in performance tab, or by going to plugins and settings. Okay, now we have in general toggle or caching. We're gonna leave that one unchecked because it might cause you problems in the future. Don't check this one. And we have page cache. We're gonna check that one, make it enabled, and let's keep it disk enhanced as it is. For Minify, leave it. We will do it later in Cloudflare, so don't check this one. For opcode, it's for premium, so we're not gonna do anything to that one. For database cache, we're gonna enable that one. Use post, page, and feed creation time. For we can save and purge. And now we have this line database caching needs us to add this line in WooCommerce setting. We're gonna press in here to do that. It's so easy. You're gonna copy that and paste it here and ignore the query stems, and we're gonna save that one, and you're gonna find the line is gone, the red line, we got it. Then we're gonna go to general settings in performance tab again, and we have the object cache. We're gonna check this one to reduce execution time for common operations and save and purge. Fragment cache, we're gonna select the method and make it disk, and save and cache, save settings and purge cache. And now let's go to extensions. Activate the AMP for accelerated mobile pages. But now let's start with the Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a CDN that puts your website on multiple servers around the globe for faster loading and gives you more security to your website. And we're gonna start by making an account on the Cloudflare website. You're gonna type cloudflare.com and you're gonna make an account simply by entering your email and putting your password twice. If you have one, you're gonna log in. And if you have previous websites on the Cloudflare, you're gonna see it as you can see on our screen. Design Academy online on Cloudflare, and the status is active. Now we're gonna add site from the upper right corner, and you're gonna put your website name without without www. This is very important, and we're gonna start begin scan on the right, and now it's being scanned. Continue. You're gonna see that screen. We only need the website name in the Cloudflare marked with orange, and the C name for our website in the alias, and it should be on the Cloudflare as well. Those are the ones we need, and we're gonna press on continue. We're gonna pick free website plan, and we're gonna continue. And now you have to change your server name from that one on Bluehost to that one. This is so easily done. You have to follow these steps if you're hosted on Bluehost, or even Google that on Google to know how to do that. For us, we're gonna go to Bluehost and do it. And for Google, if you're HostGator or any other hosting plan, you're gonna change it and you're gonna see the steps so easily done. And we're gonna do it in Bluehost in few steps. Now we're gonna go to our Bluehost and press on domains. Now we're gonna press on our website and name servers. Then we have the default name servers. We're gonna use custom name servers, and let's highlight the name servers we need to change to and copy that and paste it in here. Then we're gonna go and copy the other one. And paste it in here. And now we're gonna save name server settings. Being validated. Now successfully updated name server information. Just a few steps to change our name servers to the Cloudflare one. Now it's telling us it's gonna take up to 24 hours to change the name servers, maybe 48 hours if you're using SSL certificate to force it on the website, and it's saying that our website will not be interrupted during those hours. So it could take a day or 2 days to see changes in our website and performance changing. So now we need to authorize the Cloudflare settings in the plugin. So we're gonna press on settings and leave. Now we're gonna press on authorize for account credentials, and you're gonna type your Cloudflare email, and we're gonna copy the API. We're gonna press on continue and press on your name on the upper right corner of the screen, my settings, and then you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna see API key. Press on view API key, and this one should be secretive one, and copy paste in the authorize area. I'm gonna start with the email and I'm gonna paste the API key, then press on next. You're gonna choose your domain, and now it's being authorized. Now we have the development mode. This mode is very important. If you're gonna make any changes to your website, you need to enable that one. Don't forget to do that before changing any images or any catchable stuff to your website by going to performance tab, then extensions, in the Cloudflare settings, and enable that. And after you finish updating your website, you're gonna uncheck the enabled item. And for the rocket loader, let's make it automatic in the Cloudflare content processing and minify GS and CSS and HTML. Now let's save Cloudflare settings. And for the security, let's make it on high or even under attack if you would like to. Save. Okay, after 2 days we recorded that video and we tested our website on Bingdom and GT metrics. Now you can see load time is 2.6 seconds and performance rate 82 and page size 2 megabytes, and page speed score is 95%, 8 grade 8. And as you can see, we solved all the problems, everything in the green band or green bar, and it looks much better than the first time we tested that. You can also make the website more simple by removing some parts that you don't need that much in the website. For example, removing the video section if you want to, or even the slider section or the products or whatever according the theme you're using. And also using PNG images for your website and saved for web by Photoshop or other websites. You can also experiment with the W3 Total Cache or any other plugin you're using for increasing the performance of your website. Like trying to apply the object cache for once and test your website, then remove it and test again. Or try to see if you have a problem with one of these green bands, like for example, for the browser cache, try to apply the browser cache if you didn't apply that. Or you have the problem with the images, you can try to make your images smaller and in PNG format and saved for web. You can try to make your website being loaded as a chunks instead of instantly loaded at once. You can keep try till you reach the desired result you're seeking for your website performance. That's it for our lesson. Go apply that on your website and you will see radical change in performance. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you. Hope you enjoyed that and see you in next lesson. Have a great one. Bye.